In the middle of the vast ocean, a floating city moves silently across the waves. More than 300 meters long, powered by nuclear energy, and capable of carrying dozens of aircraft. This is the USS Abraham Lincoln.
USS Abraham Lincoln, designated CVN-72, is a Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier operated by the United States Navy. Named after the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln, this enormous warship is one of the most powerful naval platforms ever built.
The USS Abraham Lincoln is approximately 333 meters long and weighs more than 100,000 tons when fully loaded. Its flight deck is like a floating airbase, capable of operating dozens of advanced military aircraft. Thousands of sailors, officers, and aviation personnel live and work aboard the ship.
Unlike ordinary ships that depend on conventional fuel for propulsion, the USS Abraham Lincoln is powered by nuclear reactors. These reactors generate enormous amounts of energy, allowing the ship to operate for long periods without the constant need to refuel its propulsion system. Nuclear power also provides the massive amount of electricity needed to support the ship's complex systems and thousands of people on board.
But the true power of an aircraft carrier is not just the ship itself, it is the air wing it carries. Depending on the deployment and mission, the carrier can operate a variety of aircraft, including fighter jets, airborne early warning aircraft, electronic warfare aircraft, and helicopters. Together, these aircraft transform the ship into a mobile airbase capable of operating far from land.
Taking off from an aircraft carrier is one of the most challenging operations in aviation. With only a limited amount of runway, aircraft must accelerate from 0 to flying speed in just a few seconds. The carrier uses powerful catapult systems to launch aircraft from the flight deck, sending multi-ton fighter jets into the sky with incredible force.
Landing is even more demanding. Pilots approach the moving carrier at high speed and attempt to catch one of several arresting wires with a tailhook. In only a few seconds, the aircraft goes from flying at high speed to a complete stop.
The USS Abraham Lincoln is more than a warship. It is a floating city. Thousands of people live, work, eat, sleep, repair aircraft, operate advanced technology, and perform critical missions aboard the carrier. Below the flight deck is a complex network of hangars, workshops, control rooms, living spaces, and support facilities.
An aircraft carrier rarely operates alone. It is usually supported by a powerful group of warships, submarines, aircraft, and supply vessels. Together, they form a carrier strike group, a mobile force capable of operating across vast areas of the world's oceans.
Aircraft carriers allow the United States to project air power far from its homeland. Because they can move across the world's oceans, these massive ships can position aircraft and military capabilities in regions where land-based airfields may be thousands of kilometers away.
The USS Abraham Lincoln represents more than steel, aircraft, and advanced technology. It represents decades of engineering, naval aviation, and the ability to operate a massive airbase in the middle of the ocean. From its nuclear-powered engines to its powerful aircraft and thousands of crew members, USS Abraham Lincoln remains one of the most impressive aircraft carriers ever to sail the world's oceans. A floating city, a mobile airbase, a symbol of modern naval power.
If you enjoyed this journey into the world of modern naval technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible stories.